Hello all, welcome back to our channel. I'm Dr. Fatima, clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. So today's topic is summer care tips for babies, especially for your little ones who are 6 months and above. Summer can be really harsh on babies, but with few simple steps, we can keep them comfortable, hydrated and safe. Let me keep this video simple and crisp with what all information you require for your babies who are 6+ months. So now coming to the general tips that you should always keep in mind during this summer. Keep them cool and comfortable. For that, you need to dress them light, breathable. Cotton clothes should be used. Light colors are best because they reflect heat and keep body cooler. Stay indoors during peak heat. Avoid taking your babies out between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. because this is the time when the sun is at its strongest. Hydration is very important, especially for babies over 6+ months who are on solids. You can offer frequent sips of water in addition to breast milk or formula. You can as well use fans and not direct AC. Keep the room cool using fans or ACs, but don't keep the temperature too low and ensure that the cold air doesn't blow directly onto your baby's face or body. And coming to the baths, give lukewarm baths once or twice a day to freshen them up and also to prevent heat rashes. For new parents, it's very important to understand what are the do's and don'ts during the summer. Offer breast milk or formula frequently to prevent dehydration. Use loose fitting soft cotton clothing. Offer food rich in water content. Keep the diaper area dry to prevent rashes. And it's very important to keep your baby diaper free for some time on daily basis. Always carry a hat, umbrella or a stroller shade if you are going out if necessary. And coming to the don'ts, don't overdress your baby as layers can trap heat. Don't expose them directly to the sun for too long, even if it is during the early morning. Don't use heavy creams or petroleum based products as they can clog the pores and increase sweating. And it's very important that you shouldn't feed your baby with heavy oily foods or some spicy food because these are very hard to digest during summer. Many of you are very much excited to introduce different food items for your babies who are 6+ months. And during this summer, just be smart in introducing some refreshing foods for your baby. So I'll give you a few examples. You can give watermelon. You can just strain it to make it seedless. Muskmelon puree, papaya, banana, chiku. So these all are rich in water and vitamins as well. In vegetables, you can give bottle gourd, cucumber, carrot in puree form. For that, just boil them. You can give a bit of curd and yogurt. Homemade curd is good and it supports gut health as well. Curd and yogurt. Coconut water can also be given in small sips after 8 months. This is natural electrolyte booster, but remember not to offer too much and also just consult your doctor before you start this. Moong dal khichdi is very light and easy to digest and it is pretty good during summers as well. You can give rice water, barley water. These are hydrating and soothing for digestion. Always remember this. Don't introduce any new food item at a time. Just watch for allergies. And coming to the refrigerated food, it's best to avoid. Don't give food which are directly taken from the refrigerator. Whatever be the season, hygiene is very important. So offer them clean and neat and properly cooked food. A big doubt that most of the moms have is regarding sunscreens. Are sunscreens safe for babies? Should we use them or not? If so, what are the best sunscreen to be used? So let me help you out with this. For babies under 6 months, it's best to avoid sunscreens completely. Instead, you can keep them protected with clothing, hats and shades. For babies who are 6+ months, yes, you can use baby safe sunscreens, but you need to choose them carefully. And you can as well speak to your pediatrician for best baby safe sunscreens. This is the best thing to do, right? And when you're looking for sunscreen, you have to look for a few things. Okay, like it should be broad spectrum protection. Broad spectrum protection protects against UVA and UVB rays too. SPF is something really important that you need to check for. It should be 30 to 50. This is the ideal thing that you need to choose. Okay, physical mineral sunscreens with active ingredients like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. These are good because they sit on top of the skin and they deflect the sun's rays, making them safer for sensitive baby skin. There are also certain ingredients like oxybenzone, octinoxide. These are harmful. It's always better to avoid them. Apart from that, don't go for any fragrance, parabens, phthalates, and alcohol containing sunscreen. I'll give you a tip here. Always do a patch test on small area first before applying any sunscreen onto your baby's face or hands. Once your baby passes the patch test, then you are good to go. Summer can be a tricky season for babies, but with these easy steps, we can keep our little ones safe, happy, and healthy. Remember, hydration, protection from heat, and choosing the right foods and skincare make a world of difference. This is a small awareness video on summer care tips for babies over 6 plus months. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment below what are your favorite summer care tips for your baby. I would just love to hear from you as well. Before I end this video, I wanted to give you a extra tip which is very important. If your baby develops any signs like high grade fever, irritability, loose stools, or excessive lethargy during summer, always consult your pediatrician immediately. It's better to be safe than sorry. Just remember this. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.